Are you looking to break into the world of cybersecurity? PaniTech Academy's CompTIA Security Plus course is the perfect starting point. Our training is designed to give you a solid foundation in cybersecurity, starting with the basics and building up to more complex topics. And the best part? No prior IT experience is necessary. Our instructors are not only knowledgeable with a great deal of teaching experience, but they are also certified and working in the field they teach. Our course is offered both remotely and in person, so you can choose the format that works best for you. With a 98% success rate on the exam, you can trust that our training will give you the skills you need to pass. Our curriculum is drawn from real-world job descriptions, so you will have the skills not only to pass the exam, but to excel in your career. And when you join our course, you will become part of a community of like-minded cybersecurity experts. And with expert support available during and after your training, you can trust that you will have the resources you need to succeed. All of this for only $2,000. Don't wait. Enroll in PaniTech Academy's CompTIA Security Plus course today and take the first step towards a successful career in cybersecurity. Sign up now at PaniTechAcademy.com or call 202-790-2928, 240-200-6474.